Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisokha. NanguNgcobo lana upholele bafethu emakhaya, back to his grassroots. Khona into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo la. UNgcobo siyazi ukuthi i-contract yakhe yaphela 2026 but kune-clause ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingayi-renew. UNgcobo uyayi-deserve i-contract renewal naku Kaizer Chiefs. I'm asking this because of laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kunama-midfielders amaningi kakhulu and they're all fighting for positions. Sibonile uNgcobo so far adlala kahle kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs and uyalwa serious. Is one of the most influential midfielders laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Noma bebasayinile abantu uyayithola i-game time. Unlike amanye ama-midfielders angazange ayithole i-game time ku-Kaizer Chiefs, khona ababahambisile, khona ababalonile. Babona ukuthi abasiyi part of i-future ye-Kaizer Chiefs. For example, uZwane Mombheka laphana nayo i-midfielder but babonile ukuthi ngeke adlale this season or coach abanama-plans ngaye and then bamhambisa. But nangu uNgcobo bafowethu uMapholoba udlala kahle kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Is it time ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imbonge noma imnike i-contract renewal, isho ukuthi okay mfana udlale kahle kakhulu the previous season or this current campaign, or i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ilinde isizini iziphele and then decide ukuthi bayamnika umfana noma bamnike, because of maybe if bangamnika i-contract renewal manje kungaba premature ukuthi bayashesha ukumnika i-contract isizini ingakapheli, mhlampe lapha anga-relax ngeke asebenze kanzima. So if izinto zikanje, you keep working hard knowing that end of the season i-Kaizer Chiefs izohlala naye phansi badiscusse i-new contract or i-clause, or bavele ba-trigger i-clause or ba-extende i-contract yakhe to maybe 3 years or 2 years. So bona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izodecide, but-ke angazi nina bafethu ngicabanga ukuthi ayi-deserve i-contract renewal. Sikhumbule masikhuluma ngale nto ukuthi sasenabo-Lebohang Maboya ukuthi ayitholile i-game time but not kakhulu, akakazi-establish laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi sibone ukuthi kungadlala yena kakhulu. UNgcobo-ke laphana ukhompyutha nabo-Lebohang Maboy, ukhompyutha nabo-Ngcobo ku-central position laphana, ukhompyutha nabo-Cele, noMatlowu naye ukhona. uMatlowu he can be creative midfielder ezi-bit forward, ezi-number 10 ish, but-ke sinambona futhi naye eyi-holder. So asazi ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani for uMapholoba, but I think i-Kaizer Chiefs they are a bit forced ukuthi bamnike i-renewal. Why ngisho kanje bafethu? Because of already kunama-rumors or nama-links, kunama-teams abuzayo ngumfana ukuthi oh, is he available, what's happening ngaye. I-Kaizer Chiefs kuzomele i-decide ngempela, but yeah, baku-crossroad ngempela ukuthi kumele ba-decide. By the way, indaba kaNgcobo le contracts akusiwuye kuphela laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, baningi sengike ngakhuluma futhi ngabo bafowethu ukuthi ovuma namanye ama-player okumele bahlale nawo phansi ba-decide ku-Kaizer Chiefs if they are building for the future. And going to i-goalkeeping department e-Kaizer Chiefs, they have to get u-goalkeeper we-long term ngempela. Siyazi ukuthi uPeterson ugudo kwamanje bafethu, but is currently 31. Ubani i-backup yakhe? Kumele ba-decide ukuthi uVuma is he well equipped ukuthi abe i-backup kaPeterson, noPeterson bangakwazi ukumthemba 100% ukuthi okay he is the one. Noma we've seen something ulo Mokoena from i-DDC team abatravela naye and uBunhle ukhona, but bayabatrusta nalabo goalkeeper laba, or kumele baye ku-window babheka abo-goalkeeper. Sikhumbule ukuthi transfer market lesibuya kuyo bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs they were heavily linked with o-goalkeeper aba-different. Goalkeeper abakhulume naye omunye what's this goalkeeper? Yes, u-goalkeeper we-Asante lo mude bafethu abadlala naye, wazo-confirm ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ikhulumile naye iyamfuna, but yena wathi bakhulume nge-Asante because of une-contract ne-Asante. But-ke la goalkeeper omude laphana udlalisa i-Asante bafethu, wavimba ku-Toyota Cup ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Washo ukuthi kuyamjabulisa ukuthi khona ama-team amakhulu, i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi imrecognize ize inquire noma ibuze naye. Uthi waba ne-conversation nje nabaphathi be-Kaizer Chiefs, but indaba yakhona zange iphelele ndawo. And bakhuluma no-goalkeeper, I think u-goalkeeper waseMali if angenza iphutha lo vimbela iyanga, but izinto azange zihambe kahle, udlala lapha eTanzania. Because of they wanted to offload uNtwari because of abana-plan ngoNtwari, right? But-ke baningi abantu njengoba bengishilo bafethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs ekungaziwa ukuthi ama-contracts wabo kuzophelelaphi nanokuthi bazoba-offera ama-contracts. They have to make a plan, they have to decide ukuthi benza kanjani ngalama-player lawa nanokuthi ba-react-a kanjani, because of at the end of the day they have to react. Omunye obaluleke kakhulu ku-setup ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu singamu-mention uKwinika, ukuthi uKwinika uyayi-deserve na i-contract ku-Kaizer Chiefs lesiya-last for the next 2-3 years, because of uKwinika i-contract yakhe yaphela makuphela isizini. Abamnike i-1 year kuphela after kuwina i-Nedbank Cup ebonga nje uKwinik ukuthi uyi-professional and then uyifayithelile i-Kaizer Chiefs when he was given an opportunity to play. But-ke kubonakala ngathi i-farewell noma i-goodbye contract. That is why mawubona kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ukubhilda around u-Inacio Miguel, uye umuntu ozoba khona next season, uKwinik angeke abe khona next season. Why ngisho kanje? Mubheka i-structure sabo ukuthi benze izinto kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, already they are looking ahead ukuthi okay, next season soba nalaba nalaba nalaba, yibo abantu esizodlala ngabo. UKwinika yena unama-months kuphela asele ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, end of end of May or end of June i-contract yakhe yaphela le qeda ukuyisayina i-renewal ne-Kaizer Chiefs because bamsayinise i-one year contract kuphela. So yeah, ama-players siwabonayo amanye even nalawa adlalayo next season amanye azobe engekho ku-Kaizer Chiefs. They just have to sit down nama-player amaningi and evaluate ama-performances wama-players, babone ukuthi sibani banophefomile kule season le esikuyo. Kusho ukuthi wonke umuntu olaphana Kaizer Chiefs kumele amisele bafowethu and try to give everything that they have in order to be noticed by management, even ne-technical team ikwazi ukuba-recommend ukuthi ba-renew ama-contract. Omunye ongayishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs uGeorge Mahlowu otrendayo, umfana otrenda kakhulu bafowethu. Ama-chances wakhe makhulu ukuthi ayishiye i-Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Bamnike i-renewal ye-one year kuphela. I-Kaizer Chiefs if maybe beyimdinga too much or serious, beyibona i-future e-serious, beyizolokhu njani bengamnika lesibo ma-2 years, 3 years, but-ke they only gave him i-one year kuphela laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi the current contract le anayo kumele alwe, but so far akayitholi i-game time that much ukuthi aziprove ngempela ukuthi uyadeserve ukuhlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. They will have to make a decision mayiphela. In fact, they don't have to make a decision i-season miyiphela noGeorge Mahlowu. They will just uGeorge Mahlowu uzokwazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayirenewanga i-contract, so kumele azame iplan ukuthi athole enye team. And bekunama-links-ke alinka uGeorge Mahlowu away from i-Kaizer Chiefs, bekuthiwa iSkhukhune United naso siyanyonyoba siyamfuna, but i-Kaizer Chiefs idecide ukuthi imrenewele i-contract. Is he working hard enough to, to earn like let's say a 2-year, 3-year contract with Kaizer Chiefs? He's not even getting. That's the question, by the way. But he's not even getting a game time, so you cannot really talk about izinto ezingekho phambi kwamehlo wethu ukuthi uyadlala. Siyambona ukuthi akadlali umfana, so there's no way silokhu esikhuluma ngokuthi uyayi-deserve contract or akayi-deserve. Well, mayiphela isizini uzoyishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs if ngeke abe highly influential or angadlala amagame amaningi. Naye ngibonile laphana e-change room a-complain athi isikhathi sabanye ama-players siyafika but isikhathi sakhe sizofika nini. So complain ngaleyo nto leyo. Maybe uyayi-deserve i-chance nyana ukuthi adlale, but yiphi i-position azoyidlala? Kukuphi la azo-contribute khona kakhulu? Is it ezi-10? Because ezi-number 10 ngeke adlale. Kuno-Augustine Sirena abatshenjisana noMdusha balala. Even u-Augustine Sirena bane-versatility ukuthi bayakwazi ukudlala emasayidini, but i-10 yilo, I think i-position ebaluleke kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And-ke o-Ethan Cheslett nabo abakadlali, so unumber bani ey'balweni uGeorge Mahlowu? Peterson, Kwinik uyahamba. Kwinika, I don't see him staying, by the way. I don't. Unless I don't know what it would take for him to stay. But yeah, final few months contract yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Let's making sure bafowethu ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.